Okay, so let's just speak for a few minutes about in terms of college credits, in terms of the college classes. We mentioned that we're looking to be a seminary environment, again, a place where it's that seminary feeling with everybody together, with warmth, with an attentive staff, and that type of a framework. But at the same time, we've been discussing, as we mentioned, that we recognize that there are for a lot of people every year we see that being able to take college classes makes a very big difference as to whether or not they're able to come back and actually take advantage of a second year or not. So therefore, we decided to institute the policy in Shaarei that obviously within reason, and will be part of the job of the mechanechet, as we'll speak to you about in a minute, to go over schedules. But there will be allowances for students to be able to miss class to take college. In other words, the schedule as we have now is a set schedule in the morning and the afternoon classes, and anyone who is not taking college classes outside of Shaarei, so this is the schedule of classes, and this is what the attendance is going to be revolving around. But for students who have college classes that they need to take, and they have a schedule, and if it would end up conflicting with the classes that we have laid out in the schedule, so we are going to be able to be flexible with you that will allow you to not be taking those classes. And obviously you wouldn't get credits on your transcript for those classes if you wouldn't be taking them, but we would allow a person to miss pieces of the schedule, again, within reason, in order to be able to leave and take college classes. So this is something that is really on a case-by-case basis. You'll notice on the application page on the end, I just we put down there a question of whether or not you think this is something that you'll want to do. This is one of those things that we're very excited about, to allow that opportunity for people who need to be taking those college courses and yet not have to sacrifice and give up on being in a seminary environment for another year. That is something that we will be offering. As for how many credits you get for coming to a second year, so as Rafik mentioned, when we're finished speaking in a few minutes, so there are representatives here from Turo and from Stern and from TTI, and they can discuss with you, what the various options are in terms of credits, or in terms of Turo will speak in terms of the availability, and TTI of classes in Eretz Yisrael that you could be taking for credits. So again, as soon as we're finished speaking, there are tables set up, and you'll be able to go and speak to the various different representatives from colleges and find out, how will your Shana Bet impact your credits, and if you would be able to take college classes. In addition, every year, we have the opportunity that if there are enough girls that would like to take the same class, the same college class, right? Let's say there's a bunch of students that want to go into speech, and there's 7, 8 girls that want to take speech 101. So we have the opportunity potentially to bring the college class to Shaarei. In other words, if there's enough girls that will organize that they want to take the same classes that together, it could be any class, math, literature, English, whatever it is that enough people want to take. So there's a potential that we'll actually be able to bring the classes here and save you from having to travel at all, and you'll be able to take the classes right here in Shaarei. That's something very exciting, which you could speak with Dr. Sisevsky about when we're finished.